Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to play two-player on Subnautica Xbox One. Launch the game on one console, attach two controllers, and sign in both profiles immediately. Choose split screen from the main menu and load a compatible save or create a new local session together. Coordinate basic controls and camera views, then set frame rate and brightness for comfort. I keep tips simple so you can dive in quickly and enjoy exploring together safely. Split screen works best when each player has a clear role and control setup. Decide who will pilot vehicles and who will gather materials and scan threats. Use the pause menu to remap buttons, swap cameras, and check inventories without interrupting the other player. Place beacons and coordinate base building so structures do not conflict with one another. These small agreements keep gameplay smooth and let both players enjoy exploration and resource management together. Split screen can tax the Xbox One, so tweak settings for better performance. Reduce render distance, lower shadow quality, and disable post-processing where possible to boost frame rate. Restarting the console before long sessions clears memory and prevents slowdowns. Keep frequent saves and separate quick-save slots for each player so progress stays safe. Small adjustments make a big difference and help both players explore underwater biomass without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.